Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we bring creativity to life with Canva. Today, we're diving into a super fun and practical topic, using Canva for DIY projects. Whether you're crafting at home, planning a party, or creating personalized gifts, Canva is the perfect tool to help you design with ease. Let's get started and explore how you can use Canva for your next DIY project. Choose the right DIY project. First things first, think about the DIY project you want to tackle. Are you making custom greeting cards, personalized labels, wall art, or maybe a fun party banner? Canva has templates for all kinds of projects, so no matter what you're working on, there's something to get you started. Just search for your project type in Canva's template library. Customize your design. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to get creative. Let's say you're making custom labels for homemade candles. Replace the placeholder text with your own wording, something like Lavender Bliss or Holiday Spice. Play around with fonts, colors, and graphics to match your project's theme. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to move elements around until everything looks just right. Add personal touches. Now, let's add some personal touches. Upload your own images or graphics to make the project truly unique. For example, if you're designing a DIY photo album cover, upload your favorite photos and use them as the background. You can also add icons, illustrations, or even custom patterns to give your project that extra flair. Canva's vast library of elements has something for every style and occasion. Finalize and prepare for printing. Before wrapping up, double-check your design. Ensure all text is clear, colors are vibrant, and everything is aligned properly. Canva has a built-in grid and snap-to features that help you keep things looking polished. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to prepare for printing. Canva allows you to download your project in various formats, like PDF for high-quality prints or PNG for digital use. You can even order prints directly from Canva if you prefer. And there you have it, Genius Junkies. Canva makes it super easy to bring your DIY projects to life, no matter your skill level. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more creative design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.